not my first time doing open mic, my first time doing here. This is actually my second time doing open mic. The first time I did was like 6 months ago. It's back in my home country. And then I got depressed because I bombed so hard. I so fucking bombed. Then I stopped doing comedy. Or I didn't want to try it anymore. But then I realized like 6 months, I realized like a couple of weeks ago, like, fuck, it's Japanese genes' fault. Like, because of the bombs, it's in the genes. And any gamers out here? Any gamers? Any gamers? Yeah. We all know that like Japan is the biggest like consumer of the games, right? And like I'm a gamer. So one of the games in here in Japan, like I couldn't believe when I knew about this. Like the most popular game here in Japan. You want to guess? Anyone? No. It's actually Hangman.
Oh Jesus!
Okay. So I'm half Japanese and half Filipino. So anyone? So I think you guys now. Oh, that's why his R and L are different. So I'm a big basketball fan. So I played a lot of like basketball in here since I arrived. So I played like with white people, Japanese people, like black guys. So of all of them, Japanese people are the most fastest. Not the skillful, not the greatest, but the fastest. So like I said earlier, I'm a fierce guy. So I tried to research what the fuck? Why are they so fast? So there's this called like just fucking drill. It's called suicide. So that's what they love to do. Okay, so when I migrated here, like because I've been here for like 8 years now. When I migrated here in Japan, so there's like one of the things that I love in here is how secure or how safe here in here. So because in the Philippines there's like 50-50 chance that you'll live or you'll die when you go outside. So here there's like only 5% chance when you go out you'll get stabbed or you'll get molested or whatever. So but the other 95% chance it will be mostly self-inflicted. Sorry, it's getting dark. Not last. Anybody here like experience like when you're watching a movie with your partner, they're always like, oh, how did they do that? Oh, what happened? It's like we're watching at the same time, right? Why are you asking me? It's like I had an epiphany. Like I shouldn't be in the IT. I should have been a director because because like I could have had the right to say, shut the fuck up, bitch! Quiet on the set. Okay. So okay. So lastly, what do you guys call like when a priest comes? What do you guys want to call it? Okay. So it can be either holy cum or altar boy facial wash. So that's what I said, guys.